Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing this Yeelight's USB rechargeable clip desk table lamp. I know that's a weird name. But here's a quick look at the product itself. Now you have a rough idea of what it's like. I bought it on Banggood for about 1800 rupees. There are a lot of promotions, coupons, so price may vary. If you have some points, you can redeem them as well and get it at a cheaper price. Anyway, here's a screenshot of the tracking information. It took about 25 days for them to deliver this product, and there were no custom charges involved. Now this is the box that I got. It was pretty beaten up by the time I received it. Now let's get on with the unboxing. Inside the box we have a plastic package with a bubble wrap, and inside that we have the lamp and a micro USB charging cable. Now let me remove the lamp. So guys, this is how the Yeelight clip lamp looks like. It has a circular LED strip at the top with 15 LED lights. That's attached to a 360-degree gooseneck arm, which can be twisted in any way, and that's attached to a huge clip mechanism. This arm is made of skin-friendly silicone material, so you don't have to worry about plastic or health issues while using this lamp. On this clip, we have a micro USB charging port on the back and a soft touch button on the front. This lamp can be used anywhere. You can just clip it to a table, chair, grill, or anything. It's a plug-and-play setup where you don't have to worry about any cables. You can use it anywhere, anytime, and you can also use it as a regular table lamp as the clip is so huge. Now there are 3 operation modes for this lamp. First we have the learning mode, that's max brightness. Next we have leisure mode, which is slightly dimmer, and finally nightlight mode, which is very dim. First 2 modes are good enough for reading, while the nightlight mode is just like a nightlight. Even the battery life is supposedly pretty good. Yeelight claims 6 hours of battery life in learning mode, that's at max brightness, 14 hours of battery life in leisure mode, that's at mid-range brightness, and finally 50 hours of battery life in nightlight mode, that's pretty long battery life. So guys, if you're looking for a steady lamp that you can use anywhere and anytime, then this is something I can definitely recommend. In fact, I bought it for the same purpose. So guys, if you want to know more information about this product, link for that is in the description. Do check it out. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.